Paano pinareport yung video? Tungkol lang naman yun doon sa sa meet and greet mo. Alam mo bang first time ko lang makareceive ng removal ng video sa Facebook? Yung sa'yo pa. Grabe talaga, buong buhay ko. Hindi ako nakatanggap niyan. Yusek, oh. Mapdi na ba, Yusek? First time ko makatanggal ng video sa FB, ah. Buti nag-appeal ako. Ito. This video may contain something that could encourage violence and lead to risk of physical harm or a direct threat to public safety. Hindi naman. Sinungaling ka lang naman. Yan naman pinatunayan yan, eh. Hindi ko alam na ako magbabayad. Oh, diba? Grabe naman. Miski yung mga minions mo, walang nangyari. Walang nagawa pati minions mo. Your piece of content is back on Facebook. Hey! We are unable to show the content that goes against our community. Oh, protect our privacy. What happened? Your appeal was reviewed and piece of content does follow our community standards. We are sorry for the inconvenience the initial decision may have caused. We know it may have been upsetting. Oh, what you can do? You go to no, gogi. Better luck next time, mga bugok. Oh, ito yan, para malaman nyo kung ano yun. Bakit kaya? Dahil 104K views. Video mo ang unang-una na na-report, na na-remove sa Facebook ko. Okay? Pero ikaw rin naman yung unang-una nakaabot ng 104K. It's fair. I guess it's fair. Kasi ikaw lang naman yung first na video ko na umabot ng 104K views. Huwag ganun. Ano tayo? Demokrasya, tol. Oh, 458 shares. Ayun, pocha, oh. Oh? Yusek, oh. Yusek. 105 Yusek, oh. 105. Kumalat yung kasinungalingan mo. Hindi lang sa trabaho yan, ha? Sa totoong buhay yan. Iiyak na yan.